Already we know the concept of Pythagoras theorem, right? Correct. So in this we have a right angle triangle having right angle at 90 degree. So this we know that this BC is base, this AC is the hypotenuse, let's call it H, and then we have AB as perpendicular, let's call it P. In the Pythagoras theorem, what happens? We know this identity, H square is equal to P square plus base square, right? Means if any two will be given, you can find the third one. Like suppose if P is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, then you can find the H by using this formula, which will get 5 actually. Okay. But think about the situation where you have only one side given, and that too base is given. Base is something given. Only base is given. Okay. So how to find the hypotenuse and the perpendicular actually, or you can say height. Perpendicular and height are same thing actually. So I'm telling you this concept of triples to do uh, uh, to find the different sets. So you'll get different kind of solutions. Okay, I'm just showing you. So let's take the situation where base is equals to 10. I'm fixing the base. In the If your base is fixed, now our job is to find the H and P, hypotenuse and the perpendicular. Okay. So first thing is that we will use a formula, this formula, xy is equal to x plus y by 2. It's a triple formula, minus x minus y by 2 whole square. This formula you'll use. And I'm telling you what is x here, what is y in this formula. So another thing is that if your base is given, which is 10, just square the base, which is 100. Okay. And find the factors of 100. Okay. So we have a lot of factors, like 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there. Then we have 8 also as a factor, right? And then we have 10 also as a factor. Then we have 20. Then we have uh, 25. Then we have 50. And then we have 100, right? These are the factors of 100. Okay. Now we will take the combination of all the numbers. Like if you, I'm telling you what is the meaning of xy. Xy should be xy should be always 100. Okay. So if you take x is equal to suppose 1, your y will be 100. So that xy will be 100. X into y is equal to 100. If you take x is equal to 2, then y will be 50. So that xy is again 100. Okay. Correct. Let's see the another one. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 25. So that again here it is 100 multiplication. If your x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 20, which is again 100, right? Let's see the another one. If you take uh, I think this 100 is not divisible by 8. What do you think? You can check. 54 2. Okay, sorry, this 8 is not the factor, so just cancel this 8. So we'll take then 10. X is equal to 10, so y is also 10, so that they will be giving you 100. Then if x is equal to 20, y is equal to 5. Okay. If x is equal to 25, y is equal to 4, right? And if x is equal to 50, y is equal to 2, right? And if x is equal to 100, y will be 1. So you see, we are just we are just skipping the duplicates. This and this is duplicate, we are not going to take that. Means single, only one will take. We'll take this one, will not take this one, will not take this one. Then we'll take this one, 4 and 25, we'll take this one also. Will not take this one, because if you take 10 and 10, it will be giving you 0. 0 cannot be the side of the any triangle. That 20 and 5 we have already taken, so will not take this one, this one. So basically we are getting 4 pairs of the answers. Okay. So I'll put these values of x as 1 and y as 100 in this equation. So let's see. So we'll get xy is equal to 1 plus 100 by 2 square minus 1 minus 100 by 2 square. So 100 equals to 100 watt by 2, which is 50.5 square, minus 1 minus 100 by 2 is minus square means plus, then it is 49.5 square, right? So then this minus 49.5 square will go into the left hand side, and this 100 we can write 10 square plus 49.5 square is equal to 50.5 square, right? So if you see, if you match this with Pythagoras theorem, like this one, base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square, right? So you can compare it and you can get h equals to 50.5, and you can get p is equal to 49.5, right? Because base is already given 10, right? So this is one of the set of your answer, one of the uh, set which we have taken from the factors. Okay, now other three answers I'm going to solve here. Okay, let's see. So we'll do x simply x plus y by 2 and x minus y by 2 of this one. So 2 plus 50 by 2 and 2 minus 50 by 2. 2 plus 50 by 2 is 26, and 2 minus 50 by 2 you'll get minus 24. So minus 24, if you use in the formula, it will become plus. So another set is 26 and 24. The first set was this. The third set I'm just solving here. Okay, in the, I hope you're getting this right. So the process is finding the factors, putting in the formula, getting the perpendicular and hypotenuse. Now the third set is coming from here. 4 plus 25 by 2, 29 by 2, which is 14.5, and 4 minus 25 by 2, negative 21 by 2, which is 10.5. Negative 10.5, obviously if you put in this formula it will become plus 10.5. So we have, this is the third set of the answer, where we can say h is equal to 14.5 and perpendicular is equal to 10.5, because h is maximum, right? Hypotenuse is the maximum side which can have. Now the last set, which is coming from 5 and 10, 5 and 20, sorry. So 5 plus 20 by 2 and 5 minus 20 by 2. So then we'll have 25 by 2, which is 12.5, and this is minus 20 by 2 minus 10, minus 10 square if you put in the formula, so it will be giving you 10. So this is the fourth set. Okay, so if I write the total answers, okay, all the triplets, so you can have the first as 50.5 and 49.5, base is common, which is 10. Second answer is 26, 24. Third answer is 14.5 and 13.5, and the fourth answer is 12.5 and 10. You see how many answers are possible, right? So if single base is giving you this much varieties of the H and P, right? You see how amazing this triple concept is there, right? Please try to please try to take other base values also, and try to implement these triples on the same formula. The formula, you can write it down: xy is equal to x plus y by 2 whole square minus x minus y by 2 whole square. This formula. Okay, this formula will give you all the solutions. Okay, and this 10 and 10 was not done because if you do x minus y, 10 minus 10 by 2, 0 by 2, which is not possible, only any side cannot be 0, so we are just skipping that, right? So this is triple concept. In the next lesson I'm going to tell you the calendar. In this calendar, so basically you can find any day of any date since, like, starting from 17th century till 2019. Okay, so let's see in that class. Okay, bye bye, take care, good day.